Hi everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. Um, Still in collection, and today we'll be looking at sets in collection. So unlike list, which is an unordered collection, set is an ordered collection. So let's look at an example. Sets and lists are very similar, but they are they have a little difference, right? They are all used to store um, list of items or list of datas, but the difference is that a list accepts list can duplicate datas. This just as we have apple, banana, and orange here, we can have another orange like this, another orange, another orange, orange, say orange and orange, and a list will not have issue, but a set will not accept that. So let's go and see for ourselves. So let's create a new example. I'll call it example 3, example 3 dot that, example 3 dot that. Let's go. My usual dance, let's call void name. Okay, let's go set. We'll first look at set of ints. Okay, I will call it number unique number unique number equals to this, and we close it. So unlike list that we use square brace, set uses curly brace. So take note of that. Set uses curly braces. So let's go and declare some numbers inside 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So if you look at it in this place, let's try add another 5 inside, another 5 inside. You see it is already yelling at us, and if we hover around it, you see the error message. It says two elements in a set literal shouldn't be equal. Change or remove the duplicate. So set doesn't allow duplicate because it's basically used to store unique data. Two data cannot bear the same name or have the same values. So let's clean this and try print our set. Okay, I will call what unique number, and print. Okay, we don't want it this way, so let's save it. Unique number, print. Let's raise our terminal, clear. And what do we want to do is to print it. Okay, example 3 dot that. You see, this is our set. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. The same way we add something to our list. Let's try use that same method and add a number to our set. So we say okay, let's have a separator, and we'll do something like unique number dot add 6. Okay, unique number dot add 6, and we don't want to remove anything, so let's keep it this way. Unique number dot add 6. We want to add 6 to this our set. So let's try it again. I want to hide this side. The place is too busy. Okay, I think it's good this way. So let's print it again. We didn't save the code. Let's save it and print. Oh, sorry, we did not print our unique number. Good, like this. We don't want these guys. Let's remove them, or okay, remove them. We'll keep only this one. Keep only this one. Now let's clear. This place is too busy. Let's clear and run again. Example 3 dot, and you see good, 6 has been added to our set. So let's try something. In print another line. This time it will be print. Inside the print is what we want to call this unique dot add. So let's copy it, unique dot add, and try add 6 again, right? Try add 6 again. What's happening here is this: at this line we've already added 6, which you are seeing in this place, and now we want to add that same 6 again, right? We want to add that same 6. We expect to see double 6 in our set, which is not possible. Set will not allow. Remember we said set doesn't accept double, but we want to try, and in case we just want to try and add another 6. So you will see the outcome. Our print, you see false. It's telling you that you cannot add 6 again because 6 is already in the list. Okay, let's try something. 3 3, and let's see, print again. We still get false. Because 3 is also in our list. Okay, let's add something that is not the list. So we'll say 8 and we'll print again. You see, we got true because 8 is not in our set, and we are adding 8 and we got true. So if we print this unique number again, unique number, which is this number, the name of our set, that's what we are printing. So if we print it again, you will see that 8 has been added towards our set. The example 5. Let's create the example 5. I'll call it example 5 dot that. Example 5 dot that. Okay, so enter. And this example we'll be looking at map. Let's call it map. So map is a collection of key value pairs where each key is unique. Maps are great for representing relationships, like a contact list where each person's names, which is the key, is associated with a phone number. So for example, let's quickly look at the example. So as usual, we start with our void main. Void main function. We'll call map. Okay. String. Okay. String. I will call it contacts. Okay. Contacts equals to this. So now let's create our key and the values. So remember, our key and the values here are both strings. So okay, name, John Doe, phone number, email. Okay, good. This is good. And if we print the contacts, print the contacts. Let's click this one. Print the contacts. Let's add a comma here to give separate it. So add a comma here. So if we run this code, let's clear this one. Save this code, and if we run this code, and this time it will be example 5, right? Okay, if we run this code, you see we have now our map, we have name, John Doe, phone number, email, and Yeah, this is the email. So what if let's remove this thing. Control G and Control B. So what if we want to print only the name? We don't want to print the whole user or the contact. So we want to print only the name. So in that case, we can call the key, take the key, which is name, simply add name like this. So I've got to call, let's print them separately, the phone and the email. So this one will give us the name, this one will give us the email, and this one will give us the email. Remember, we're having key and value pairs. If this value is an int, if this value is an int, you see, we will have errors here. Okay, so either we keep them as a string or keep them as dynamic, something like this. Dynamic. This way it will accept, or even if this is a number, even if this is a number, we will not have issue, right? Because dynamic accepts int, string, and any other values, right? So let's try print our code and see the output. Okay, yeah, this is it. So we got John Doe, which is the name John Doe here, and this is our phone number and our email separately. So we use the key towards access the value. If we want the value, what we do is to simply print the key and we got the value. So anywhere you see map, just mean that map is it has a key and a value pair. Okay, what if we want to add something different, maybe some other thing um, to the map? So let's say we want to add city to our map. So we just say contact.add, right? Then we add what we want to add, not phone number. We also want to add city, right? City. I will say city is equals to a string. City is equals to what? A string. And we say Lagos, right? Okay, this we are having error. We are having an error here. That is because we have contacts and we are calling contacts here. So we make it contacts and our error is gone. So if we print our list again, um, print, and this time around we call contacts, right? Contacts, and it's called city. Good. Contacts and city. Remember, we've added city to our list. Let's give a little separator so that you will understand what we're actually doing here. So string and separate it. Okay, good. If we save this code, bring up our terminal, clear the terminal, and run the code again. You see, Lagos have been added to our map. We were able to add Lagos to our map. So just as the same way we add Lagos to our map, we can also remove something from our map. So let's remove phone number from our map. So the same way we do contact, um, contact, contacts dot remove, the same contact dot remove, and you will remove the key, right? The key is what we want to remove from our contacts. So a phone number. So once we remove the phone number, and then let's print our contacts again. We want to print all the contacts. So print, if I print contacts like this, got okay, so it's good, and print again, example 5, good. So at first we have John Doe phone number and the email, right? Then we have Lagos, which we added later. Okay, and now at the bottom we have name John Doe, email. We no longer have the phone number, but we have Lagos here. Yeah? You get the logic. At this point, we are printing all the three that are here, right? Okay, and after we separated it with this our separator, and then we add Lagos to our map. So that's why this is where we added Lagos to our map. So at this point, if I move this one, command here, and print it at this point, right? Below, yes, at this point, if we save it, let's first clear this code. Okay, clear this code and run again. You will see Lagos is added here, right? Country. Okay, you see we have the phone number, um, the name, the phone number, the email, and Lagos inside our map, right? Inside our map. So at this point, we have removed the phone number. So we now have the name, email, and city without the phone number because we remove it using the remove function. So this is how Mac works. This is how Mac works. You can play around with it, do something, all the other example we've given earlier. Just go play around with them, do something. And that's all for today. Now, thank you for watching. If you have any problem, please feel free to drop your comment below. We are here to attend to you. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you in another video.